Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka Be Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And on this episode of What's in Your Bag, we're gonna talk to Beauty B.Girl Exec, Miss Lady Exodus herself. And before we do that, we're gonna make sure we have our drink to sip and see. So you know the routine. If you're over 21, make sure you grab your favorite cocktail and or alcoholic beverage. And if you're under 21, grab your favorite non-alcoholic beverage. And let's get to it. Let's really see what's in her bag. Cheers. All right, guys, so here's our special guest, my girl Kidada, aka the Beauty B.Girl Exec is in the house, aka Lady Cherry, aka
Lady Exodus,
aka
Auntie,
aka Auntie, absolutely. So we're gonna sip and see and see what's in her bag. So Kidada made a very special drink for us today.
Yes.
What is it called?
So this one is called the Gemini, of course.
Of course, she's a Gemini.
So this consists of what? Champagne.
My middle name.
Saint Germain.
Ow.
A bit of Kettle One, my favorite top shelf vodka.
Yes.
And we topped it off with just a splash of red grapefruit. Cheers.
Cheers. This drink, pray for me, y'all. This drink's about to take me down. But I love it. It has all of my favorite things. And Saint Germain, you know, the good saint. So, okay, let's sip and see what's in your makeup bag, okay?
Alrighty.
Will you do us the honors and show us your bag?
I will. So, okay, so let me just go ahead and preface this, guys, because, you know, I'm not the typical, like, everyday, like, purse carrying makeup bag.
Her makeup bag is a check-in item, by the way. I mean, you mad?
The shade.
It's so big.
Who mad? I'm not, because this is what it takes, honey.
It's so heavy. I'm just joking. It's so heavy. All right, so.
Tried it.
Let them see what's in your bag, Kay.
All right. So, to be honest, like, and don't judge me, because typically these are just a few of the items. And literally, guys, I kid you not, this is what sits on my sink.
Of course it is.
Every day, in the things that I have to have in order to feel polished and pretty.
With that being said, I'm only going to allow you to show us maybe your top 5. Otherwise, we'll be here all night, into morning, into afternoon, into evening, all over again. So in this moment, if you were on a desert island and had to choose 5 of your favorite things, your must-haves, what would those 5 things be?
Okay, so it was a bit of a challenge. However,
I'm gonna sip and see.
You can try it. This is what nephews do, right? Okay, so with that being said, let's talk about it, right?
Let's talk.
Okay, so my must-have in order for my skin to look the way that I desire it to look.
You mean like Black Girl Magic?
Right.
You mean like it's popping?
In these streets. One of my must-haves when it comes to my complexion is, because I am a severely dehydrated skin type, my must-haves, and really I'm gonna sneak a 6th one in there, but really 1 and 2.
Oh, that's what we're doing? Okay, keep going.
I'm gonna pull rank. Okay. So really, like, it's 2, but it's really 1. So number 1 for me is my moisturizer and my serums. Like, I cannot.
Okay, so I know you're a little dehydrated, but I will say, I'll give you the 6th one, but I love a good serum. What is the serum all about and what does it do? Talk to us. What's in your makeup bag?
Okay. So, this one in particular, this is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley. Can you guys see that?
Yep, there you go.
Okay, so this right here, because I am obsessed with all things vitamin C.
Me too.
Because I am a stickler about a bright complexion.
And a bright, even complexion.
A bright, even complexion. Yeah. And of course, this particular serum here is for brightening and evening out my complexion.
Say this. This goes after you wash. Does this go before or after your moisturizer?
This goes before the moisturizer. Okay. So rule of thumb, guys, just kind of keep in mind, anything, the thinnest formula is closest to your skin. It's almost like you're getting dressed, and think about your undergarments, how you layer that first, like that. Put your clothes on top of it. That's what a serum is to you. So a serum goes on my skin first for brightening to give a little pep in my complexion, and then I top it off with the nourishing cream from Sephora Collection. Okay. And yes, I said Sephora Collection, honey, because this right here, this nourishing moisturizer, gives me life. I'm the queen of mixology when it comes to everything lips and skin, right? So a dollop of this moisturizer in the palm of my hand, and I do a quick couple of pumps of this. And sometimes I even cheat and put a little bit of a liquid
what?
A liquid highlighter.
Pause. Y'all caught that tip. You know what time it is. Come on, T with that tip. A little liquid highlighter, a little vitamin
liquid
C.
highlighter.
Yes, you're lit, literally. Talk about being a glow-getter.
I'll just take a little bit of that in the palm of my hand, give a good zhuzh in the palm of my hand, and just literally just press it into my complexion.
Yeah. So I'll give this as your one. So what's your two? What's your
one.
Second? Your top.
While my skin is still nice and hydrated and glowy and it's all shiny. Okay.
I'm getting excited because I think I know what you're going to say. I love this product.
In Extra Dimension Skin Finish from MAC Cosmetics.
It's bomb.com. Because let me tell
a moment.
You want to pause for it?
Several of them.
Okay, great.
Yep, so literally, I take a little bit of this, my blush brush, whatever it is that you use, and I literally, while my skin is still good and moist.
I like that tip.
Yeah, I don't powder everything down. Listen, I don't believe in a whole bunch of powder, but when I do, it's a highlight powder. So with that being said, I just kind of buff that right into my skin. So as you guys can see, you gotta.
Can I put my finger? Well, I've already fingered it.
He's already fingered it.
Yep, so sorry.
Okay.
That's what
Good
happens.
thing we related.
Okay. Look at that. That looks like money. Ow.
It looks like my cheek.
It does look like your cheek. All expensive.
So the whole point of me actually buffing that into my skincare and not my foundation is the fact that I like my skin to be able to look like. So if I don't have time to do a whole full face of foundation, which I typically don't anyway on any given day, I can do this on top of my moisturizer, add a bit of concealer, and my skin is ready to go.
Come on, regimen.
I do.
Did y'all catch that?
It has to
On
be.
top of the skincare, a bit of concealer, you're good to go.
Yes, you have to have the prescription
I
for your
like
perfect
that
skin.
recipe
And
for
that is
your
mine.
perfect skin.
That is mine.
I'm gonna try that.
Yes, and
that's,
I do get a lot.
sippable. This drink is really strong, by the way.
So I'm kind of going in steps. So again, all right. So this is step number 3, right? So step number 3 is my concealer, which these are the Bright Future concealers from Sephora Collection.
Okay.
I absolutely love these, and I love the formula of this because it literally feels like liquid skin, if you will. So very lightweight.
So I'm a little gaseous. Sorry, it's the bubbles.
It's very lightweight, but I like that for a reason because, again, I do not like to age myself, okay? So anything that looks and feels like skin, I'm here for it.
And just between all of us as a family, right? My Be Rich Beauty family, because I'm your beauty best friend. We're family, right? And she's your what? Your Beauty B.Girl Beauty Exec. Sorry, it's the drink. It's the
B.Girl Exec. Get into it.
That's what she is. Yeah. So collectively, we're sharing with you a good rule of thumb. If you're dry or just want to not have things set on the fine lines and really want your skin to look optimum, you need emollient products so that it does not settle and your skin looks its best. I'm a huge advocate for that. Go ahead.
Yes. So am I. So, and one thing that I absolutely love ingredient-wise with this, the pineapple ceramide, and what that helps is just to help smooth out any texture. It is all about movable, breathable skin.
Okay, Auntie.
Okay?
Keep
All
going.
right.
So wait, okay. What is this? Is it a wand? Oh, it's a
Yes.
wand.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. And you didn't get into the techniques of it. Look, why are you sniffing my
Because
concealer?
I smell things.
He smells everything.
I
That drives
love
me
a good-
insane. Get my concealer out your nose.
I just want to know what it's going to smell like on my
I
skin.
mean, ew. Like
I
it's
might
under
be,
your eye.
I might
your
be,
nose is down
I might be
here.
real close to somebody, and they may be like, "Ooh, your face smells okay."
Face. Okay. So yes, it has a little wand for you to be able to apply. So I just dot.
I like a good wand.
Tap. Ring finger. Tap.
You don't use a
over
brush?
the pin. I do use a brush. I do, but in a pinch. Because you were telling me that
On
in
the
the-
go.
Yes, on
I
the go.
get it.
In the event that I don't have time to do all of that extraness.
Tap. Grab your.
Look, dab. Tap.
All
Okay.
right, I'll give you that.
Last but definitely not least. So any and everybody who knows me knows that I am a lip junkie.
You see this lip?
My signature.
It is.
That's what
It's
I
that
love.
B-Girl Beauty Executive Baller
Yes.
Baltimore realness.
It-
And she not even
You
from
said
Baltimore.
Baltimore. I'm sure not.
It's all
Buffalo, New York.
It's all
in
the bees.
house. That's right.
It's all the bees.
Around the way.
BB.
Filet. That's she. Okay. Days off, days on. I love this. These
Days in
are
between.
hello somebody. Okay, so these are the colorful gloss bombs from Sephora, but these are the lip honeys. So you can kind of see it actually looks like honey.
It does.
Yes.
It tastes just like candy.
I know, but the thing I love about this is because, again, that dryness, it does make its way down to my lips. So in order not to look or accentuate that, I have to have something with hydration. So because these have honey in them,
So wait. There's honey in them?
it's honey in
Oh,
them.
that's
Yes.
awesome.
That is the secret ingredient in this. So because
Like good old sound.
yeah, so that way you
Yes.
can hydrate and
Yes.
have a little bit of wet at the
Come
same
on,
time.
wait.
Yes.
So what color is that? So it looks neutral.
This one is the Manuka. Manuka is what it is. So it's just kind of like a little caramely brown color.
Nice.
But literally it just kind of just slightly tints my lip if I don't have any color on. And also too, I love things that do double duty. So I'm gonna share another one of my cheat sheet things with
Double
you.
duty is the bomb.
Okay, so even if you don't, this is another like
Is this
thing.
a sippable moment? I just
It
wanna see.
is. It's going
This
to be a
drink is
sippable
really good.
moment.
All
So
right.
either grab your cocktail glass or grab a pen. Write this down. So if I have a little bit of lip color, I'll take this, dab it on my lips, which I have in the center of my lips right now on top of a lip pencil. So that was a quick little lip. But say you don't have time. Ooh, I like to.
That's
dab
your highlight.
I could dab a little bit of this on my cheek.
Yeah, and I wish I could
See
see
that?
this. Get closer. Come, let them see that highlight in me. I wish I could see her highlight in person. It's gorgeous. It's so skin-like. It's so yummy. And here's the thing, because we live in climate. Oh, come on,
I know.
I love a good glossy eye.
Oh my gosh.
Listen,
I love
that actually takes
a
you
wet
from
eye.
like work to happy hour and just like that. All right, Auntie. Thanks so much.
You're welcome, nephew.
So we hope you enjoyed the What's in Your Bag. Until next time, love you lots, but don't forget, subscribe, leave your comments, and tell me what you love about this video. Hit the button. Thank you. Click that link. Tap that ad. Do all. Eat all the above. Subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you next time for your next episode of What's in Your Bag. Cheers.